I'm gonna eat the sushi. Sushi arrived, also I'm sunburnt, ignore that. So yeah, we're gonna be trying all the different types of sushi that we got. I don't know which one is which, so I guess we're gonna have to figure it out because I'm not eating this on stream, so that was the original idea. So hopefully people can tell me which one is which. I don't know what is. Also, it came with like little sauce. What is this? Oh, soy sauce. This is salsa de soja. It's soy sauce. That's pretty good. That's a big package as well. That's pretty good. I really hope the quality of this is decent. And I bought a little extra thingy as well. Oh, is that wasabi? I never had wasabi before. I just saw green and I'm like, there's no way this is wasabi. There's one too here as well. And there's another soy sauce. Two soy sauce. For the price of one. Well, no, those are chopsticks. We got wooden chopsticks. Nice. Okay, we can eat this properly then. Like, I'm here alone, I'm recording, and I'm probably gonna edit this. So, but still, it's exciting. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. I love the design. That's really clean. I love that. Alright. Let's get this sushi. Oh, I get to do that. Okay. Again, I don't know where should I start. What should I start with? I'm just gonna randomly grab some, and I don't know what to do with the grain thing. I actually have no idea what to do with it. Also, sushi is so much smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know why I was expecting something bigger than this, but should I grab the sushi, wait it on the soy sauce, and eat it? Is that how it works? I guess we're gonna start with this one because it's very on the edge. Again, I don't know what to do with the green thing, so I'm just gonna ignore it. I don't know if that's a good color. I don't know if this is good seasoning or the camera looks like some cheese. What the? I have no idea what it is. Alright, let's. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, here we go. It's not really sweet. It tastes like a sandwich. I don't know what that was, but I don't know if I was a fan of that one. It's pretty good though. I like I taste mostly rice, something sweet. Seasoning, I think it's just because I don't know what it is. I don't know what that was. I'll be honest with you. Alright, this one looks like it has some fish on it, so maybe this one will change my mind. I think that's cheese. Like, I don't know, but soak it in. They're okay. They taste good. I guess I just don't know what I was expecting. This looks like pure cheese. Oh, sorry. Look at it. The rice looks really good. I think it's just because I have no idea what I'm eating. Wow. Oh, that made a mess. Okay, hold on a second. Let's keep eating. I don't know if I want to try this. I don't know what wasabi looks like, smells like. I just know it's green and it's served in really small amounts. It's like Play-Doh. What is this? Let me smell it. Oh, it smells weird. This might be wasabi. It smells like glue. It cannot smells like glue. It's very strange. Let me do that. Like this amount. I hope this is a safe amount. I'm gonna try it, and if it's spicy, this has to be wasabi. Oh my god, it is really, really spicy. Oh my god. Oh, that's so spicy. What the? Ugh. Oh, that has to be wasabi or radioactive waste. That is crazy. Okay, let's go back to eating, shall we? Also, this is this, and this is this. Which one was my favorite then? Probably the first one. The first one, this one was my least favorite. I really like this one, I think. I don't know what it is, but let's try this one that I also had. I think they're salmon. It has to be fish. This has to be fish. They're sweet. Is it normal that they're all sweet? Sorry. Is it normal that they're all sweet? Like they're very sweet. They're almost like a pastry. More than. Is this normal? Because so far, oh, I taste tuna. Oh, I like the tuna taste of this one, but they're very sweet. I don't know. Pretty good. I'll rate it a 6 out of 10 though. Like, it's pretty good, but not something I would normally eat. I think that just the taste throws me off a little. I was expecting to taste the fish more, but the fish is barely there, to be honest with you. You taste more like the seasoning and the different like I taste more like the seeds here, for example, than than the actual. Like, I didn't taste any salmon, for example. I don't know if salmon taste is very strong because I never had salmon before. Is this salmon? Are you salmon? Let me try this one again. I got savory sweet because all the salts and soy sauce and stuff. Yeah, I feel like I'm eating pastries. I'll eat all of this though. It was fun. I liked it. Between like and dislike, I like them. Yeah, I did like them. They are pretty tasty. Will I eat this regularly? Not really. Not really. I'll be honest with you. Thank you for watching me eating sushi. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the wasabi. Try it. Should I try one with the wasabi? Okay, before ending, I think I need to try one with the wasabi. I'm so glad I just did like a pinch of it. I'm so glad that I saw this on the Cars movie. That is mega spicy. Okay, I have this amount. I think this is fair for a piece of sushi. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, here we go. Okay, I cannot taste any wasabi, and I'm scared of putting more. I'm scared of putting more wasabi. Alright, this is it. Thank you so much again. Sorry if this couldn't happen on a live stream, but at least you got to see it. You got to see it. Also, it's been ages since we did cam stream, so this is kind of like a cam stream. I take good care.